Hello everyone, my name is Lacson. I'm one of XM partners in Southeast Asia, and in today's video, I'm going to share a beginner's guide about XM account types. You're maybe in the process of creating an XM trading account right now, and the form asks you what type of account you want. And it's kind of confusing because there are multiple of them here, the account types. Before we go ahead and talk more about it in detail, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you're on the official website of XM, because as you can see here, there are a lot of other fake XM websites. So you really have to ensure that you're accessing the official website of XM. The best thing you can do to make sure that you will be routed to the official website of XM is to click the link in the video description. It should look like this. It will refresh the page, but don't worry, you can just easily sign up and fill this form again with your information. Alright, so there are just 4 account types that I would suggest you guys will choose from, which are the standard account, micro account, ultra low standard, and ultra low micro account. The only difference between a standard and micro account is just actually the volume that you can trade per lot. As you can see here, the standard 1 lot is equal to 100,000 in volume. Let's just say 100,000 euros. And the micro account, on the other hand, has just 1,000 volume every lot. If you're just getting started in forex trading, I would suggest you choose between a standard and a micro account. No worries, you can add up or open a new account at a later time with a different account type without you having to sign up again, like the process that you're doing right now. Assuming that, of course, you're in the process of creating an account right now. I'm suggesting a standard and micro account for beginners since it has bonuses included in it, like the $30 that you can get for creating and verifying your XM account after you sign up. You can use your bonuses to start trading while you're still in the process of learning how to become a profitable forex trader. And yes, you can withdraw all your profits from trading using XM bonuses, like the free $30 that you will get once you create an account with XM. Now, the downside, as you can see here, it has a regular spread of 1 pip. The spread is the XM fee that you will have to pay every time you make a trade, and that's how, of course, forex brokers make money. And the amount of spread will depend on what currency pair you're trading. I will have a link in the video description for more details about XM fees. Just check it out and you'll be routed to this page right here. Standard and micro accounts also have a swap, which refers to the interest that you're going to pay for a trade that you keep open overnight. And again, just check the video description for more details about it, since it varies depending on what currency pair you're trading. Now, if you want to minimize your fees, or maybe you're an experienced forex trader who just wanted to migrate to XM, then I would suggest you choose between ultra low standard and ultra low micro account types. As you can see here, it doesn't have a swap, and it has the lowest spreads on the major currency pairs for as low as 0.6 pips and 1.2 pips in gold. And again, this is suitable for experienced traders, and the only downside is that it doesn't have bonuses included, unlike the standard and micro accounts. I hope I was able to make things clear. Please let me know in the comments if you still have questions. That's all I have for you guys today, and good luck.